Survive 8 rounds or become devil food. Let's see if you're Denji or just bait. Let's start easy. First one, Denji. Second one, Power. And third one, Aki Hayakawa. Still in one piece? Drop a like. Ready for medium level? Makima. And how about this one? Himeno. Still standing? Subscribe and get ready for the next round. But first, bonus round. Name this character and comment your answer. Next one is hard level. Kishibe. Seventh one. Angel Devil. Comment your score and tag someone who fights like Kobani. Last question. The Leech Devil.